So in this video, I went ahead and did a wash with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, and I also used the leave-in conditioner from that brand. Now, I've used the shampoo before. I actually do really love the shampoo. It's sort of almost empty. I did lose it, so since I finally found it, I decided to just do a wash with that and went and grabbed the leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna see what this does for my hair and a wash and go. So if you do enjoy this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe. So like I said, I've used the shampoo before. Both the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner have shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So I know apple cider vinegar is really good for resetting the hair and sort of clarifying it. And this shampoo is more of a cleanser and used to nourish your hair. This can be chemically processed or heat styled hair as well. So when I do use this, it does give you that feeling that your hair is cleansed. Most people will know what that feels like. It feels like your hair is sort of stripped. That's how this product really works. It's not more of a moisturizing shampoo by any means. So when you use this, the product is kind of on the more watery side. So that's the only thing that I didn't really like about it, is it makes it a little bit harder to distribute. I know they've updated the bottle since then. I haven't gotten a new one, so maybe the product or consistency has changed. Once I pick up a new bottle with the new labels and packaging, then I'll be able to tell whether or not that has changed. So like I said, it's a bit harder to distribute since it's more watery, but once you do distribute it, then it just lathers up like regular shampoo. While this does have peppermint in it, I didn't really feel my scalp get any tingly sensations or anything like that, but this did do well to cleanse my hair. Now, when you do wash it out, you will see brown on the shower floor, so just keep that in mind and don't be alarmed over that. Next, I went in with the leave-in conditioner from this line, the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. Like I said, it also has the shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it. So its consistency was a lot like the curl enhancing smoothie. It was pretty thick consistency of a leave-in conditioner, which typically is a good sign for me. And it was not difficult for me to really distribute this product across my head onto every strand. Both the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner smell exactly the same, so that's good. I do really love them. Despite it having apple cider vinegar in it, which smells like crap, I actually did like the smell of both of these products. Now, after I had added in the leave-in conditioner and did my shampooing, I went ahead and just did my regular wash day routine by adding the coconut and hibiscus flaxseed styling gel by Shea Moisture as well, and put my oils in my hair and then just diffused it as normal. Now, overall, I will say I really did love the shampoo. You know I love that product if the bottle's almost empty. That really does a good job at resetting my hair and cleansing it. I will say for the leave-in conditioner, I don't feel like that adds enough moisture into my hair to last through a wash and go. I can usually tell that a product doesn't give me enough lasting moisture when I'm sort of in the styling phase. If I'm like twisting up my hair to put it into sections and I'm seeing a bunch of water dripping out, then I know the product really isn't holding on to the moisture. However, I do feel like after using this a couple times, I did notice that my hair was losing less when I was going in for the detangling stages. So I felt like it did work at strengthening my hair a bit, especially the shampoo. But I wouldn't use the leave-in conditioner by itself as just like a standalone conditioner to moisturize my hair. I ended up, for the second time going to use this product, I paired it with the curl enhancing smoothie, and that worked perfectly fine. They worked well together, didn't flake or anything like that. So that's what I would suggest doing with this. I used it for the strengthening elements of the leave-in conditioner and then just paired it with another product that I know is going to actually give me the moisture so that I don't have to worry about my hair drying out throughout the week. So if you did enjoy this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
So sick of competition, I write down these words that